Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how the parts in the solar library work. For an appliance to work, you need a circuit box, a battery and a solar panel. These components along with the appliance should belong to the same parent object, which means they need to be connected by anchors.
The red, green and blue colored objects are called anchors.
Inside the house, there are many appliances such as a refrigerator, a lamp, a television, a radiator, a day-night clock, many windows, etc. When we go outside the house, we can see a large graph. The top part of the graph shows where the energy is coming from and going to. Anything above the center line shows where the energy is coming from, and anything below the center line shows where the energy is going to. In this case, the energy is coming from the solar batteries and PV solar panels, and the energy is being used by the appliances. If there are no batteries connected to the house, the power comes from the grid at night, and extra solar energy is sent to the grid,
which saves money.
You can see the amount of power coming from the grid on the grid meter here. If the batteries are connected, you can see the percentage on the graph. There are 10 solar panels installed on the roof. Before I move on, take a look at the solar library. Most of the parts have engine chips. The engine chip performs the action only during a certain period.
Let's take a lamp for example.
In the schedule stack of the lamp, there are two blue comparison operators, and there are two numbers on top of it. Here it is 18 and 23, which means that the lamp will be on only between 6 pm and 11 pm. You can change the timing by changing these numbers. Now let's move on to the battery and circuit box. The solar battery charges during the day and is used at night. If extra solar energy is generated, it is sent to the power grid, which saves money. Even if there is a grid outage, there will be no power outage in the house because the home system supplies house load with PV solar energy and batteries.
This shows that we can save money and our environment by switching to solar power.
I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more awesome machines.